G'day YouTube, today I'll show you how to make an advanced notepad in Visual Basic 2008. Start off by creating a new Windows Forms application and just calling it whatever you want. I'll call mine Advanced Notepad. Once the form is loaded, just resize the form to your liking and then add a menu strip and add File, Edit, and Format, and then add a rich text box. Click this little arrow and click Doc in Parent Container, and then click File and type New, Open, Save, and Exit, and then click Edit and type Undo, Redo, and click and then add a separator, then cut, then copy, then paste, then clear, and then select all, and under format add font and color. Okay, it's time for coding. So click on File, double click New, and type RichTextBox1.clear, and the code is pretty self-explanatory. Just clear what's in the rich text box. Then double click Open and type the following code. And here's the code: try dim dialog as OpenFileDialog equals new OpenFileDialog. That just makes an OpenFileDialog. Then dialog.Title equals open, dialog.Filter equals rich text files, and this little thing, then star.rtf. If dialog.ShowDialog equals System.Windows.Forms.DialogResult.OK, then rich text box 1.loadFile, dialog.FileName. That just loads the file of the dialog file name, and yeah, catch exception, colon, and try, and that colon means new line. Then double click Save and type the following code, and here's the code: try dim dialog as SaveFileDialog equals new SaveFileDialog, making another dialog, dialog.Title equals save, dialog.Filter equals rich text files star.rtf. If dialog.ShowDialog equals System.Windows.Forms.DialogResult.OK, then rich text box 1.SaveFile dialog.FileName, comma, RichTextBoxStreamType.RichText, and if catch exception and try, and colon means new line. And then double click Exit and type the following code end. Then click Edit, and for undo type this code: rich text box 1.undo, which just means undo what's in the rich text box. Then double click Redo and type rich text box 1.redo. Then double click Cut and type rich text box 1.cut. And then click Copy and type rich text box 1.copy. And then click Paste and type rich text box 1.paste. Double click Clear and type rich text box 1.clear. And double click Select All and type rich text box 1.select all. And then for format and font, type the following code for font. And here's the code: try dim dialog as FontDialog equals new FontDialog, dialog.Font equals rich text box 1.font. If dialog.ShowDialog equals System.Windows.Forms.DialogResult.OK, then rich text box 1.font equals dialog.Font, and if catch exception, colon, and try. And then for the last bit of code for color, type this. And here's the code: try dim dialog as color dialog equals new color dialog, dialog.color equals rich text box 1.4 color. If dialog.ShowDialog equals System.Windows.Forms.DialogResult.OK, then rich text box 1.4 color equals dialog.color, and if and just add a colon here, and then debug it, and then let's test it by type, just whatever, new, whatever. I can click undo, undo, redo, cut, paste, copy, paste, paste, select all, and clear, and you can edit the font and the color, and there's the advanced notepad. You can also save it as temp.rtf, new open temp.rtf, and yeah. Thanks for watching my video on an advanced notepad in Visual Basic 2000.